last week we showed you the new flex bench system with the saw stop. And Cale Davison saw the video and came up with a great suggestion. He said, why don't you use the saw stop stand to transport both the saw and the flex bench system instead of using our little cart that we had. So I think this is going to be a great idea. So we went ahead and ran the experiment, and this is what we came up with. So you've got your saw stop saw set up on the flex bench system with our custom stand. You simply take this like this, take it off, and put it up there. Then what we've done is we customized this by putting these little notches here and those little feet on the bottom, which allow it to hook in to the stand. And there it is. And now it's setting level. Then all you have to do, take your saw, put it on there like that, and then instead of using an ancillary cart, like that, you can put a bungee cord on it, grab hold of it, and you're off to the races. So what's nice about this is you've got the same cart that you bought with the stand. So let's say you want to use the stand that comes with the saw stop. There's no problem. You use it. 4 2x4s underneath it levels it up to exactly the right level, so you're set. But if you want to incorporate our entire system into it, you just make sure you order your table saw platform for the saw stop, and you're good to go. Or let's say you want to leave it that way, and you still want the platform to be for the DeWalt saw on the other side. Let's say you want to have 2 table saws, well, you can do that as well. Remember, it's called the Flex Bench System for a reason. You're going to love this product.